Hello, so welcome back to our tutorials. Now we are continuing, as I said earlier, to logical operations. So the logical operations, we are going to look at the AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. Now I want to make a simple example with these words. We use them every day. So let's say they are playing a football match, and you say that you come up with a bet. Say um, by the time of the close of the first half, team A is going to score two goals and there's going to be one red card. Now, imagine that after the first half, team A scored two goals, but then there was no red card. It means your logic is false or your prediction is false because you are saying and, so it means both of them has to be true. So team A has to score two goals and somebody must get a red card on the field in order for your statement to be true. Okay. But then if you use the word or, like team A will score a goal or team B will draw. So you are saying that either team A score a goal, let's say in the first half or at the end of the match, or team B will draw with team A. So if one of them is true, then the statement is true. So if at the end team A wins the game by scoring a goal, what you said came through. If at the end of the game team B managed to play a draw, what you said is still true. But then if both of them are false, it becomes false. Like team B wins the game. You never said team B is going to win. You said either team A wins or it is a draw. Okay, so if one of them is true, it still holds for your prediction, and your prediction is still what? True. But then if both of them are false, it is false. So for the OR operator, one of the two logical operations should be true. Now for the NOT operator, the NOT operator is simple. The NOT operator reverses everything. If after performing your operation, the result is true, when you say not true, it is false. When you put a not, it changes it to the opposite Boolean sign. So if it is true, it will change it to false. And if it is false, it changes it to true. So let us look at some examples here. So I'm using the AND operator. Okay. So let's say we know that 3 is less than 4. Okay. And we say that and 5 is also greater than 1. Now you could see that 3 is less than 4. Yes, this is true. 5 is greater than 1, and this is true. So true and true is true. Else any other thing is false. So let us print our results out and let's see. So when I print it out, we get what? A true. Okay, because you are saying it should be true and it should be true. But when you're using the OR operator, so print um 12 12 is less than 10. 12 is less than 5, or 3 is greater than negative 10. Okay, so we are saying that 12 is less than 5 or 3 is greater than negative 10. 12 is less than 5 is false, or 3 is greater than negative 10. This is true. So since at least one of them is true, you are going to get a true. Okay, you are going to get a true. So let me run this code, and we still got a true. Okay, so 12 is less than 5 is false, or 3 is greater than negative 10. And as I said earlier on, you could say team A wins the match or team B wins the match, meaning that if team A wins the match, automatically team B loses. So team one is true, the other one is false, but it is still true. or team B wins the match, then automatically team A loses, meaning one of your statements becomes true, the other one becomes false. But the use of the or makes it true. And but if they play draw, that means neither team A nor B won the match. So your statement is false. So imagine if this one is 3 is greater than -10, but we make it 3 is less than -10 and we run it, it becomes false because this is false and this too is false. So at least one of them should be what? True. Okay. And both of them can be true though. So we can say 3 is greater than 10 and 12 is also what's greater than 5. And this is also still going to give us true. So the OR operator is saying that both of them should be true, or one of them. The OR operator is simply saying at least one of them should be true. That's the OR operator. Okay. So let us look at the NOT operator. The NOT operator. And for the NOT operator, let's say let's say 3 is equal to 4. Let me use a greater than sign. 3 is greater than 4. And we all know that 3 is greater than 4. This is false. This operation is false. Okay. This operation is false. Now let me comment this one out and run it. So you could see that this operation is false. But once I say not false, the answer becomes true. Okay. So anytime you use the not, it reverses whatever output that you have. Okay. So 3 is greater than 4, which is false. So not false is true. Okay. If I had mentioned 3 is less than 4, this is true. 3 is less than 4, and everybody knows 3 is less than 4. But not true means false. So the not operator reverses the operation, and that is very simple and straightforward to do. So these are the operations I've taken you through. You can look out for the S operator. The S operator sometimes is like a more or less like a comparison. Okay, a comparison operator. Okay, so quickly let me add some tips here. So sometimes you may go out there and you see a symbol like this. The AND operator has another symbol. You can use the AND symbol on your keyboard, this symbol on your keyboard. Okay, so instead of using the AND here, I could have used this, and it still works as we said. So 3 is less than 4 is true, and 5 is greater than 1 is also true. So this is the AND operator. That's another symbol for the AND operator.